Comments like this is what continues to inspire me to do what I do, make a bunch of lifted van videos, and do lifted van meets. Sometimes I talk about my Fiat too. When you guys going to Hungry Valley again, I'll bring my '06 Duramax Express 3500. He left me a comment on this short. Lifted van meet, action van suspension, and Weldtec designs. 2 Weldtec lift kits on this meet, 2 action van lift kits on this meet, all on 40 Econoline vans, 5-inch lift kits. I would like to see more GM vans at my meets, and minivans too, lifted minivans on Journeys off-road lift kits. If you're a regular on my channel, you know that I respond to every comment, and this is what I like to see. By November, I should have a Weldtec 3-inch lift package on 33-inch KO2s. That's what I like to see. So I told this guy, I'll subscribe to your channel, man. Upload some videos. He told me he has a TikTok. I don't have TikTok, so I told him, upload on your channel. He told me this is a channel he wants me to subscribe to. So there it is right there. I hit the bell, subscribed, and there's this van with some recliners in it. Duramax, big boy Duramax 6.6 on 2006. I know those have the 6.6s. The GM vans in 2017 and newer, a few of them got the 2.8 little Duramax. That's gonna look nice lifted, man. Keep me updated. So your enthusiasm for this hobby, everyone who stops by, it's not going unnoticed. Look who left me a comment. Weldtec Designs. They left me a comment on this video right here. Weldtec, the best Econoline lift kit. Weldtec designs are nothing. So pause the video, read the comment. If you want a Weldtec lift kit, if you just like their style or you don't have an Econoline, screen cap this and save it on your phone. They are offering my first 5 subscribers who refer me a waive core charge fee. Weldtec Designs, I think you could do better than that, but we'll discuss this later. So they're free to give me their 2 cents. Their opinion is that my videos comparing Action Van's base kit 2089 to their 5-inch lift kit Baja Grocery Getter 3200, they feel like that's not a fair comparison, comparing a 2089 kit to a $3,200 kit. It's all your opinion. I will not give my opinion. I'm just gonna show you guys some prices. So the 5-inch lift kit from Action Van, their base kit, that's an excellent deal. It's a bargain. It lifts your van 5 inches just like the Weldtec. It improves the ride just like Weldtec. I've had both kits and I've always said it. I wish I went with Action Van again. But they feel like a fair comparison would be me comparing the Action Van lift to their 3-inch lift kit, which is $2,300. So yeah, Weldtec is free to give me their 2 cents. That's what they feel like is a fair comparison. So Action Van 2089, 5 inches, or Weldtec 2300, 3 inches. Up to you. So like I said, they left me a comment. Well, let's go ahead and do this too, so you know this comment is not doctored. Click on it. There you go. Takes me straight to Weldtec Designs. So there you go. Weldtec stopped by in my comment section. So Weldtec, let's have a little talk here. So you want to waive the core charge fee to my first 5 subscribers who go to your shop. How about you give them something a little bit better? When it comes to Econoline vans, I'm always going to recommend Action Van suspension. I'm a blue collar guy. Yeah, the money I could have saved from Action Van would have been a big deal to me because I'm manual labor. I work at FedEx and move boxes, man. So I had to work a whole year of overtime to save up for a lift kit. If I went with Action Van, I could have got my lift kit a lot sooner. But here's the thing. Shout out to Arthur Nava. He has a Ford Parts 1 2-inch lift kit on his Econoline right now. He's looking to go 5 inches. So me and him were talking in the parking lot, and one of his buddies with the Transit van starts talking to us about lifted vans. He wants to lift his Transit. So Weldtec Designs, if I send a guy to your shop with a Transit, see, you guys lift the Transits, so, you know, Action Van don't lift Transits, you guys do. I'll send you a customer. Hook them up, man. Hook up the guy, send with a Transit. He's gonna say, hey, John Drives Anything sent me. And hook them up with the Transit lift kit, 5-inch Transit lift kit. Let's take a look at it. I would like to see a lifted Transit at my meet. I want to see them all, like I said. So there you go, Transit right there. And then let's go ahead and Weldtec also lifts the Nissan NV. I know a guy at my gym with the Nissan NV. I should tell him, hey dude, are you looking to lift your van? So there you go, Nissan NV lift kit. So yeah, screen cap my comment, guys. Tell you know, even if you have Econoline, if you just like Weldtec style versus Action Van, if you got an Econoline, go to Weldtec and say, hey, I saw your comment on John Drives Anything's channel. What discount do you have for me? Doesn't hurt to ask, right? And then here you go. Here's the GM stuff right here. 3-inch lift kit, 5-inch lift kit. I would save the extra money for the 5-inch lift kit. So 3 versus 5. And then a couple of months ago, I made this video right here looking at vans for sale. This GM 2-wheel drive lifted van is on a company's lift called Boulder Off-Road. So there's another company to check out, Boulder Off-Road. Their 5-inch lift kit is $2,100. So whoever has a GM van, give them a call. No matter what van you have, call all these companies up. See who you vibe with the most. You might like one salesman more than the other. So, you know, you're spending your hard-earned money. Talk to the people selling these lift kits, man. And like I said, you might vibe more with one company versus the other. So yeah, this is why I do what I do. Seeing you guys hyped up about vans and your guys' enthusiasm isn't going unnoticed. Even Weldtec Designs left me a comment and offered my first 5 subscribers a waived core charge fee. But like I said, Weldtec Designs, I think could do a little better than that.